Today I'll be doing an install of the Yakima TwoTimer bike rack. This bike rack holds two bikes. It's suspended by the wheels. It clamps to the frame so you don't have to accidentally hurt your bike frame. We're going to open the bike rack. And it appears to be semi-assembled. This is what the kit includes. Part going into the receiver hitch, the main bike rack, and we've got some nuts and bolts to install. So the first step is to install the main piece into the receiver hitch. Make sure that the lock washer is in the bolt. Slide it in. The next step is I'll use the lock and we will put it into position. So first turn the key. Snap that on. Now, I'm kind of wondering why they use such a long bolt on this. So there you go, there's the key. So the next step is we have to raise this. To do that, you pull on this little knob and lift it out. So now, I will lift the bike rack into position here. As you can see, the installation of the Yakima TwoTimer bike rack is incredibly easy and takes minutes to install. So when the bike rack is in storage, it folds up nicely. And now I'll demonstrate how it unfolds. So it folds down. And then this arm folds up here, and then when the bike is on it, you ratchet these down onto the rails. So lift the bike and place the bottoms of the tires in the cradles, and then maneuver the bike straight, squeeze the red push lever, and then bring it down. Tighten. Next, take the strap and put it through the hole to secure the tire in the tire cradle. And you can use this ratchet to ratchet it down so it's firmly in place. That's how easy it is to load a bike onto the Yakima TwoTimer bike rack. Please like and subscribe to StickShiftStudios for more automotive content. Please watch the following related videos. Have a great day.